Welcome back to the Phu Hao channel. Today we're diving into the factory scale of our company's production. Let's start. Vietnam is one of the world's top coconut exporters, and when it comes to the largest coconut growing region in the country, Ben Tre province stands out. Recognizing the potential in coconut byproducts, we've developed new products from coconut fiber and established several large factories in Mo Nam. Covering a large area with production and storage facilities, it currently has 6 branches in Mo Nam and plans to open an 8th branch this year. Now, join me as we take an aerial tour of 2 out of our 6 factories. Besides, to meet market demands and customer orders, we've heavily invested in cutting-edge machinery to ensure we complete each stage quickly and on schedule. Spinning machine. The machine helps to loosen the fiber, remove impurities, and spins high-quality fibers, creating ready for the next process. Winding fiber machine. The machine efficiently winds coir rope into compact rolls, preparing them for easy handling and further processing. Twisted rope machine. The machine twists multiple small coir ropes into a larger, stronger rope, ideal for various industrial applications. Pressing machine. This machine compresses coconut fiber to form products such as mats and cushions, ensuring durability and high quality. Textile machine. Our high-capacity coir mat weaving machine can produce up to 4 containers per day, ensuring efficient and large-scale production. This advanced machinery offers exceptional speed and precision, meeting high demand with consistent quality. This special weaving machine is a new investment we made, costing 2 billion VND. The goal is to speed up production and swiftly meet all orders. We invest not only in machines, but also in our workers. With around 400 workers, they're directly involved in production, quality control, packaging, and loading containers. The combination of human expertise and machines creates a fast and efficient production line. If you're impressed or want more information about our products, reach out through the contact details below. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to update with the latest from Phu Hao's channel.